My name is Magda Stawarska. Through sound, moving image, photography, painting and printmaking, I explore contested, layered narratives in the urban matrix. I'm interested in architecture, realism, patterns and language. How place can actually hold memory or trauma. The process of listening is often at the core of my practice. I'm interested in how sound triggers memories, but at the same time anchors us in a place. Lubaina Himid nominated me for the Artist to Artist section at Frieze. We have collaborated on several projects, from screen printings to sound compositions. This includes working with her on her survey exhibition at Tate Modern. We have been talking about each other's practice for many years. These conversations are vital to me. For the Keiko Rochaix booth at Frieze, my installation brings together a set of new paintings, silkscreen-printed wallpaper, and 3 piccolo projections. Using materials like paper, linen and copper, exploring different materials and surfaces, I want to reveal how we develop in relation to a place and layered histories of movement, absence and restitution. Visitors will hopefully feel wrapped in grids and patterns printed on horizontal strips of paper. These are the visual rhythm that reflects cityscapes, but which also relate to grids and maps, usually rigid and conventional, but as I play with them, pulling, skewing and overlaying, they lose their functionality and give a sense of being lost.